वासांसि जीर्णानि यथा विहाय नवानि गृह्णाति नरोपराणि. As a person gives up old garments to put on new ones, similarly, the soul accepts new material bodies to replace the old and useless ones.
मृत्युंजय, give a happy send-off to the goddess Mrityunjay.
Have you seen Rishi anywhere?
Rishi!
Rishi!
Dad!
Okay. You didn't hear your mother's voice. A glance from dad was more than enough. I know you love him more.
Come on, Mom. It's nothing like that. I love you both. I love the both of you, alright? But yes, Dad and I have a special connection between us. You know that thing, hotline, right? Not even the girls have this hotline. Even if that hottie is just like you.
Happy anniversary.
To you too.
शक्ति लेके ना पालन है तू अन्न धन देना अन्नपूर्णा हुई जगपाला तुम ही आदि सुंदरी बाला प्रलय काल सब नाशनहारी तुम गौरी शिव शंकर प्यारी शिव योगी तुम्हारे गुण गावे ब्रह्मा विष्णु तुम्हें नित्य ध्यावे नमो 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 नमो
Did you see Rishi?
Rishi, no idea.
Rishi!
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 Are you okay?
Rishi! Rishi! Rishi!
Rishi?
Rishi, what happened?
Rishi?
How did this happen? Rishi! Rishi, what happened? How did Rishi fall into the water? How did Rishi fall into the water? Rishi, are you alright? Someone call the doctor!
Dad.
Why are you staring at me? Call the doctor!
Dad.
Call the doctor!
Dad, I'm good. I'm okay.
Yeah, are you okay?
But how did this happen, Rishi?
Ma'am, thank God she saved your son. Otherwise, your son would have died today.
Which girl, Rishi?
Who was that girl?
Your would-be daughter-in-law, Dad.
But who was she, Rishi?
The same girl whom I owe her my life. Roys never keep anyone in debt. Find out who she is. Rudra, will you kill me?
Oh, so sorry. Are you alright? Are you fine?
All right. You had almost killed me. Whose anger are you taking out on me?
Dude, consider this as love. I didn't get the chance to get angry. Anyway, I'll take your leave. I have a
Sure.
meeting to attend.
Yeah, we'll meet tomorrow. Yeah.
Good game.
Yeah.
Who? I could have got hurt, dude. By the way, I like this style of requesting to play the game, but not today. I have to go to work. Thank you. Come tomorrow at 9 if you like to lose, yeah? I'll see you here. But now I have to leave. It seems you're in the mood to lose. It's okay. Fine, buddy. 5 minutes. Congratulations on your losing. So sorry, ma'am. I didn't mean to hurt you. I mean, you're very good in fencing, but maybe today wasn't your day. But, well played. See you around. Hey! Do we have some connection which I don't remember? What's your problem, ma'am? I belong to the 21st century. I'll not hurt a girl, but at the same time not get hurt too. I am not made to lose. Are you mad? Are you crazy?
People consider me that.
Crazy?
Maya Jaising. The same lady whose next book you will be publishing. At least you've written that in this article.
This is nonsense.
I know. So I've come to talk sense into you. Next time, better think before you write an article. That's because big dreams and small status always shed blood.
Just a moment. You... excuse me! Excuse me! Did she run away? Such big talks and... she left in a huff. Ananya? Did you publish this article?
Sadly, no. Neither this news is true nor I have published this. However, it would have been good if it was true, right?
Are you mad? She's a psycho. I'll jump from this 20th floor, but I'll not sign her. Rohit, find out who wrote this article and I want the details ASAP.
How do you know that she's a psycho? Because here it's not written anywhere.
Here, It's written here. Maya Jessing.
Did Maya Chasing do that? Oh my god, did you meet Maya Chasing?
Hey, hold on. Blood, injuries, psycho. Focus, okay?
She has been the best-selling author for 3 consecutive
Yeah,
years.
so what? I can find many.
Her book has done business of 20 lakh copies.
And she's insane in the same proportion.
My god, nobody has seen her for the past 3 years. No social media, no pictures, nothing. And you met an enigma.
Technically, that wasn't a meeting, but an attempt to murder.
Oh my god, you're such a drama queen. Okay, listen. How is she? Like pretty, old, ugly, mad?
A witch.
Really? Reading her books, I thought she is ravishing. But that has nothing to do with us. We don't have to build a relationship with her. We only need to sign her up for a good book. Give me her number.
Actually, Anu, our network doesn't help us find ghosts and aliens.
What do you mean?
I mean, the invisible girl who's behaving like Mr. India. Do you think I'll ask for her phone number? No, change it. She's crazy, Anu. Our company won't work with her. And no more discussion about Maya. Okay? Get it?
Okay, fine. When you make this cute, angry young man face, my daily soap heroine type of heart just melts away.
So you started flirting again.
I know you won't start it ever, so I thought I should.
Your brain has stopped working because of all those romantic novels.
Brain? Mr. Rudra, it's not just the brain. My intentions have got affected as well. Oh my.
Okay, that's it. I'm leaving.
Where would you go? Just remember one thing. You won't get a better partner than me.
I've already found one.
Who?
Maya Jessing. I'll see. What?
I don't know how this happened. I mean, for a moment Rishi was on the boat with Murthy. Then I saw him in the water. Thank God there was that girl who saved Rishi's life. I have no idea who that girl was. Anyway, whoever she was not less than any god to us, Yes. Now Rishi's absolutely fine. Nothing to worry about.
Diya, do it carefully. It will
Rishi,
be painful for him.
Relax.
MJ, what happened? Diya, why did he scream like that? Are you
he's
fine, Rishi?
Oh God, I'm a doctor. It's my daily job to deliver babies. That's why I can handle this one, okay?
Dad, relax. I'm okay, huh? Now that we have a doctor like Miss Diya, I will go through a speedy recovery.
You're flirting with me too? Shame on you.
No, Diya, I think we should go for a CT scan.
You're absolutely right, Dr. MJ. We should go for a CT scan. Tell us if you have any other treatment. Shall we go for surgery? Come on, guys. He's fine. Relax.
Hey, if I'm fine, then why are you giving me all these injections?
Think it's a punishment for flirting with me.
Oh, I see.
Diya, stop it. Sit back.
Rishi? What happened to you? Are you okay?
Grandma, relax, huh? I'm fine. Chill.
Really? I got so worried about you. My blood pressure has raised. I am breaking out cold sweat. It's a sign for heart attack. Oh God. Call the doctor.
Mom, Diya is here.
I said call the doctor. Not this model. Mother-in-law, please. Please. It is not a joke. In fact, it was quite serious today. But I don't know. I didn't understand something. How did Rishi fell into the water?
But he's safe now. He didn't drown, right? Relax. You're fine, right?
Yes, of course, I'm fine.
I think we should leave him alone now. He should rest. Let's go.
Yes, Mom, I need to rest a little.
Sleep well.
Yes.
Hello? Take rest.
Yeah.
Okay, lie down.
Yep. What's up, buddy? Okay, listen. I want the details of a car. Its number plate ends with 444. The car number is as unique as the girl. And remember, I want the complete biodata of that girl. Find out and give it to me. Alright, man, thanks.
You'll get burnt after death. So why are you trying to burn yourself alive?
Brother!
Don't try to act smart. Next time if I see you with this, I'll break your bones. What? You call yourself a swimming champion? How did you drown?
I don't know, brother. I was pushing away Murthy and my leg got stuck in the rope. I have no idea.
Oh wow. You dare do not do such stunts. Take care of yourself. Do you get it? And I've heard that you got saved by a girl?
She's not just a girl, bro. She's an angel. She was like fire.
Really? Fire? Someday this fire will burn you down, just like this.
I've heard that you got hurt while fencing.
Please try to hear less.
Rudra. Come here, son.
Those who hurt you don't regret for their action.
It looks like I'm the one who needs treatment the most today. One son almost got drowned and the other one has come home hurt.
Dad, you aren't ready yet. The guests must be arriving for the party. It's your wedding anniversary. It's your special day, Dad. Come on. Go get ready, okay? Come on, brother. You're unbelievable. At least today you shouldn't fight. It's his wedding anniversary today.
So, as if I care.
I know you do. You just don't show it. Alright, forget about it. Are you coming to the party today or not? No excuses.
Rish.
Come on, just come for me, brother. Listen. Okay, at least do it for mom. Brother, please. Please. Look, you got an injection as well today. Please.
Only for you.
I love you, bro.
Easy, bro.
By the way, how did you get hurt?
Forget it. It was some crazy girl.
When the wounds of heart overwhelm one's mind, people often call it craziness. Craziness, which is both passion and relief. Craziness makes you lonely. But there are some people whose biggest strength is their craziness.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I have your attention, please? Happy anniversary to my gorgeous mom and
Oops, Rishi.
my handsome dad. Wish you a long, beautiful married life.
Thank you, son.
Let's cut the cake now.
We won't cut the cake without you, Mom.
And you won't have a companion for life, son. Where do you go leaving your mother alone?
I at least have the courage to leave you.
Rudra, please. If the whole family cuts the cake together,
Then everyone will know how happy a family we are. After all, a family that can cut a cake together must be an expert in tolerating each other, right?
Maya, as you asked, I have got a fake article published that Ron Publications has signed you.
चाह तुझे दिल ने मेरे तो सांसों ने धोखा दिया तेरा हुआ यूं इस तरह कि मुझसे हुआ
I have a very strange connection with pain.
ले गया तू फिर मेरे
Neither can I bear it.
की सारी वजह तेरी खलिश तेरी खला
Nor can I let it go.
यूं दी है जगह मुझ में ही तू रहे यूं सदा आदत है तू बुरी या सजा तुझ में भी तू लगे लाज़मी बेहद है ये मेरी आशिकी
When pain becomes unbearable, then hatred becomes uncontainable. You had seen my unconditional love up till now. Now, it is time for unconditional hatred.
Watch your favorite dramas on DRM Drama and don't forget to subscribe.